Good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Duma R.S. Usitogo igama lakhe from Umlazi District, Foundation Phase Specialist. In the foundation phase, we don't specialize. We do all the subjects. So when we deal with educators, we attend to all the subjects and all the methodologies per subject. And I'm happy that I was invited here. I've learned a lot as a subject advisor, especially in terms of the results that were shared here. I've learned a lot, and I'm going to use the results that was presented here to assist educators to improve. Because when you look at our results, you could see that, especially in languages we are declining in terms of their performance. So now I'm going to take advantage of the results that was shared to share with the PLCs. We are going to arrange meetings for PLCs whereby we'll sit down and look at the results and see how best can we do to improve the results in terms of changing maybe the methodologies, especially now that the caps are being strengthened, and then which means now we are focusing on the shift in terms of methodologies. We just had startups and content workshops. In terms of maths, it was MIP, where we shared new pedagogies in terms of teaching concepts. I think that one will assist a lot in years to come, where we can see that we'll do away with maths lit, because learners will be more in terms of understanding conceptual development. The results will be improved, and then there will be no need for them to do the maths lit. In terms of the language, yes, language according to Pearl's results, you know, it's always come back to us to say our learners can read but not with meaning. They read without comprehension. So that is our focus now as districts, as provinces. So